Hi, today I'm reviewing Realme GT 2 and I'll show you how to add the remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, hold for a while the empty space on your device home screen, and then on the left upper corner you'll see plus icon. After that you'll see here all the available applications what widgets we can add. For example, just to add the calendar widget, we should just click once on it and now it's automatically added to our home screen. If you want to move this widget on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold the widget and then drag it. To resize it, we should hold it for a while and after that we can make it bigger or smaller by this way. And to remove it from our home screen, we should just hold it and tap to remove icon, then confirm your action by tap to remove widget. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.